Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Sagittarius, let's see what's happening with you now, what's happening with your person, how you guys are feeling, and what action can we expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Sagittarius, will not resonate with all of you out here. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most today for their love life. Thank you. Alright Saggis, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Saggis, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Saggis, newbies, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll be having your mutual energies, your dialogue message cards, etc. So, for the duration of the reading, Sagittarius, I'll be calling this side person A, this side person B. If this is your storyline, you will know which side you resonate best with. Bottom of my deck, I have the 7 of Pentacles. So somebody is feeling a bit disappointed here, Sagittarius. Feeling a bit disappointed that things have not really moved, or there is somebody here who has been not consistent or not given the offer. One person feels things have totally stagnated. Maybe they've sneaked away, or that person sneaked away, even though it feels to the other person that there is no new beginning being offered, and maybe they were fooled all along. For one person, this chapter is still open. They haven't really shut it down as such, but it doesn't look very good even from their end. So what I'm going to do, Sagittarius, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify all these cards. So Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person. If they could say something to each other, what would that be? Sagittarius and their person. One more. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more Sagittarius from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Sagittarius and their person. Alright. Good to go, Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, left off on bad terms, with so many things left unsaid. When I said I love you forever, I meant it. So maybe one person did say and the other person escaped it. Just know that I'm sorry. I'm not sure whether you love me for me or who you think I am. I know you still check my social media. I don't check yours though anymore. I have a really hard time opening up my emotions to anyone. You make me so nervous. Sometimes it's hard to breathe. And the last card here, Sagittarius, is, telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. Okay, Saggis, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, you get the card of confidence. Now, confidence, of course, maybe somebody lacks the confidence, they're unable to open up and share their emotions, so they run away. But this card also sometimes represents the very, very powerful sword of Archangel Michael, which is used to sever ties. with soulmate connections which have gone a wrong direction, or something becomes toxic. So this sword is used. So you'll be able to discern what this means for you. So let's just go on to the reading and see what's happening. For person A, I'm going to just concentrate on one side, Sagittarius, then we'll go on to the other side. Let me put the camera a little lower. Okay. So, Seven of Swords is person A in their feeling. Why is that, Spirit? Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords. This person, even though they may be running away or sneaking away, maybe they have other things that they have to do, this person is not telling the truth. They're lying about something else. Maybe their mind is somewhere, maybe at work or a third party, I don't know. But whatever they're doing, even though they've kind of run away, they still seem to be keeping a watch on person B all the time. Maybe there's a little bit of interaction, barely any communication, but very little, and even if it is, it's without that passion, or maybe some lies built in. Basically, person A is trying to halt moving forward. Yeah, Chariot clarified by the Chariot. So I have a feeling person A is the one who's trying to halt or block this connection. Why they're doing it, I don't know. Let's see. Page of Cups in reverse. What happened in the recent past, Spirit? Why is person A trying to block this communication, or why do they feel it's come to a halt? Say they were pulled in two different directions. This could be anything. This could be their work and you. This could be two love offers, could be anything. This person didn't want to make that decision, and that's the reason in the recent past they haven't kind of made that decision to offer love or offer any new beginning, but still keeping person B on their radar. Basically, I don't think this person was interested to commit. So they wanted to maybe keep things open, or not decide on something. They were lying, and when things became hot and heavy, they kind of may have just put the brakes on and said, hey, I'm running away. Page of Swords. Page of Swords, yes, they were holding back. They were holding back, but all the while, I have a feeling they were keeping a watch on person B as well, blocking them off because they didn't want to make that decision or that choice. So how does person A now feel about the connection, Spirit? Temperance in reverse. Why is the Temperance in reverse, Spirit? They have secrets. They have secrets. They are trying to be a little bit of a magician here. Maybe they are overwhelmed. I don't know. This person doesn't want. They're not even. I don't know. This person is not trying to even bring things to fruition. I mean, either they are emotionally closed off, Sagittarius, or this person does have a fear of letting people in, emotionally. They may have trouble being vulnerable. I don't know. What's this? King of Cups, Spirit? King of Cups in reverse. King of Cups. They want to be free. They want to be free. This person, it goes quiet when they have to make a decision, I think. This person is maybe at the moment seeming that they've turned their back, but they keep secrets, and maybe this person likes to have a free life. They don't look at the future the way maybe person B does. How else does person A feel about this connection, Spirit? See, again, very imbalanced, very practical. This card came out sideways. This person is like a head over heart kind of a person. They kind of don't speak all the truth. Sometimes they may come off as very brash and rash and mean and rude as well. Yes, this person doesn't feel that they can do justice to this connection at the moment. They feel there is no possibility from at least their end to have an equal partnership or an equal give and take. So they lie, and what action they'll finally take, I'll open later, Sagittarius. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. So, person B. Why did I lose a card here? Oh, I just lost a card. What happened? When I just lost one card here. It was right here. Anyway, maybe a new card has to come forward. So I'm going to just take one from the middle. Okay. Maybe this is of importance because I did put a card here. I don't know what happened. Just disappeared on me. Okay, so person B, they have the Fool card in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why does person B have the Fool card in reverse? They feel so much delay has happened. There's so much delay has happened, and I have not been offered any new beginning. Are they fooling me? And the more delay that's happening in person A making that decision, person B is feeling more and more upset and more angry. They still haven't shut the chapter down completely here, Sagittarius. But I don't know which side you're on, because they still have hopes and dreams of, getting that offer of stability, of being the spouse, of having, that beautiful partnership forever and ever after. There's a lot of love that person B has for person A. They want to love person A. They want to nurture person A. All that is, those feelings are still there. But the more delay that's happening, the more upset they seem to be getting, because they're feeling, why is that new offer not being given? Why are they just kind of taking me for a ride here? So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person B to be feeling this way? Person B feels in the recent past that person showed up as very immature. Maybe just like a knight of wands, came in for passion, came in for fun, didn't do the right thing, never matured up to actually meet them halfway. And when maybe questioned, they may have created some drama as well. Maybe ended up fighting with them or something and caused them many sleepless nights. Yes, things were always stuck between the two of you. One person was always hoping for things to move forward. The other person was bringing some drama or the other. So this really never moved. It brought person B a lot of sleepless nights, stress, tension, and too much of a halt. And maybe there were arguments and fights as well. Knight of Swords in reverse. Knight of Swords in reverse. Yes, I think person B was always waiting, hoping for that apology or a love offer or something. But they were always left feeling, not validated, not victorious. Always feeling that this is like a stroke of bad luck. I mean, I'm not getting that reunion, the one that I so want. And almost feeling that is a time now for me to drop this connection. When will this person ever choose? So how does person B now feel about the connection, Spirit? Oh, no wonder I lost that card, and the new one says Queen of Cups. So even though I think this connection seems like a lost cause here, Sagittarius, person B still holds a lot of love for person A. Queen of Cups, say something to us. Now that you've appeared here, I'll give you the mic. What do you want to say to us? Queen of Cups says, whatever they do, whatever said and done, they are still my emperor, and I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for them to grow up, to mature up, to meet me at the level I expect them to be as my emperor in my life. So then why do you feel the Two of Cups is in reverse? Because things are still in troubled waters. They feel this entire connection seems to be backfiring. Maybe they're feeling a little hopeless right now, wondering if it's time to walk away, or maybe worried about the fact that maybe person A is walking away, feeling quite down and out and feeling their wishes are not coming true. So what action you guys will take? Let's open that now. I'm going to take a separate deck for this one, Sagittarius. And this is my cue to ask you, to request you, if you guys are still here and it's resonating, if you could click that like button, it'll really help me to know how many people I'm resonating with, and also helps the videos to circulate, I've been told. And newbies, if you guys are still here, don't forget to press that notification bell so that you can be told when the next videos will be uploaded. Thank you. So person is action is the Three of Wands in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the Three of Wands in reverse? For action for person A. Action for person A. The Devil. One more. I agree, Spirit, but what is this Three of Wands then? Knight of Swords. Well, this person is getting a little obsessive, stressed out that their person, they could lose their person forever. But they're still in their little immature energy. They may want to come back. But look at this, Knight of Swords, again immature, and then the Devil energy along with it. Spirit, give me one more card from here, please. What is their action? What is their action? As much as they are fretting, fuming, getting upset that maybe it's time to turn their back, or maybe the person is walking away, they are feeling rather bad. They are feeling rather bad, very stressed out, but they're still holding ground. They're stressed out about losing this connection, but they're still not opening up. I think this person has a huge heart chakra problem or a throat chakra problem. They just can't say what they feel or act on what they feel. Totally tied up in their own mind, stressed about the ending of this or the perceived ending of this connection. Person B, any action from your end? Three of Cups. A person B still wants a reunion. What's this Three of Cups, Spirit? Three of Cups. Four of Wands, still wanting that happily ever after, and very strong in their conviction that one day I will have a rebirth with my person. Very strong in their belief. Look at the sword here. I will have a reunion. This is my person. I will have a Four of Wands with them. They will come back for a renewal of this connection. So I think person B is going to hold ground and wait around even now. Person B, I'm confused. Person A, I am going to give you one more chance. What is the action you intend to take towards this beautiful person on my right who believes wholeheartedly that this connection is meant to be? What action will you take? Person A, action. Ten of Swords again. This was sideways. I need very clear indication, Spirit. What's this Ten of Swords for person A? The Sun. They have an inner battle going on. They have an inner battle going on. See, the problem here is that they are feeling totally stressed out. As much as they want to go back to person B, because person B makes them incredibly happy. Incredibly happy. The problem here is this person A, is still in their immature energy. Still not wanting this connection to end, wanting to come back, but still for the wrong reasons. For sex and passion and a fun time, because person B really gives them happiness. This person hasn't yet grown up. Ten of Swords twice. So person B, I think this card, confidence, is for you. Are you going to wait around for somebody who's just coming back because they still want to be a player? Because I don't see this person opening up emotionally even now. of course, free will for both of you. That's all I have for you. Till next time, then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.